Hey guys, it's Missy. We have some exciting news to announce. PIL the Salon will be celebrating 30 years in business. That's right, it's been almost 30 years since Linda and her creative staff first introduced European style cutting, along with creative coloring techniques right here in the salon. Join us on Sunday, June 2nd from noon to 4 p.m. as we take a visual, historical look back at 3 decades of hair, makeup, and fashion. This creative interactive event will feature some exciting fashion surprises. The event will include refreshments, music, and some great product samples. So make sure you save the date, Sunday, June 2nd. Hey, we're 30 and fabulous, and we are ready to party.
A celebration